Welcome to the BReady Talent Platform. To get started, log in through the employer portal. For existing users, it's as simple as using your email address to access your account. If you're new to BReady, creating an account is quick and straightforward. Just provide your email, name, and company details. You'll receive an email with a one-time password for login. Once you've completed the registration, our team will then verify your account, and upon approval, you will be notified, granting you access to your personalized dashboard. Your dashboard serves as your command center, offering a comprehensive overview of your searches, search history, and company profile. When you're ready to find talent, navigate to the Search by Job option. This will lead you to the search page where you can input job details, including your job description. Our advanced AI software will promptly analyze your inputs. Once the analysis is complete, a green checkmark will indicate that your results are available for review. Reviewing your results is intuitive. You'll see a percentage match based on your job requirements, allowing you to quickly assess the talent suitability. Profiles of each candidate will be provided, giving you valuable insight into their qualifications and experience. If you find someone that meets your criteria, sending an invite is a breeze. Simply click the invitation button. Once your invitation is accepted, you'll receive an email notification. At this point, you'll have access to the talent's contact information, enabling you to reach out and schedule an interview directly. Thank you for choosing us for your talent acquisition needs. Start your search today and experience the difference with BReady.